Hi po, kapag member po ako sa Pag-ibig at 24 months po ang babayaran ko, pwede na po ba mag-housing loan for self-employed? What to do? Answer, yes ma'am. Pag member po tayo ni Pag-ibig for 24 months or 2 years po, pwede na po kayo agad mag-housing loan. In fact, hindi lang housing loan ma'am. Pwede rin multipurpose loan. Kasi yung MPL po, tsaka housing loan, separate loans po yan. So ang requirement lang po ni Pag-ibig is 2 years active member po tayo. So no worries po kung self-employed kayo or employed. As long as monthly kayo nagabayad ng contribution ni Pag-ibig. Yan po ang tawag na active member. So once na ma-approve po yung housing loan ninyo, ma'am, continue pa rin po ang pagbayad ng contribution monthly apart from your housing loan amortization. Ayan po. So what to do? Of course po, punta kayo sa nearest Pag-ibig office or Pag-ibig housing hub. Opo ma'am, wag yung sa Pag-ibig branch. Kasi po yung Pag-ibig branch po, multipurpose loan po ang sa kanila at saka membership. Iba po yung office ng housing hub ni Pag-ibig. Doon po tayo mag-transact. And don't forget to bring your valid IDs po. Tsaka proof of income. Kung self-employed kayo, I believe may business permit kayo. Yan po ang dalahin ninyo, ma'am. Hope na nasagot ko yung question niyo, ma'am. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.